Hello there, my friends. Hello, R2. Oh, what's the matter, R2? Oh, you want me to check the settings on this Sony camcorder, huh? It's a Handycam HDR CX405. All right, let's do it. Yep, daylight savings. You got to change all the times on everything. So this is a very lightweight Handycam. It's got those nice Sony sounds. You know what I mean? Like even like these default beeps for like the menu. You know. So this is recording mode. Obviously, I have the lens cover on. We'll close the lens cover so we can see it. So we're going to go to menu. We're going to change the date and time. So we're going to go down. So this is not one of the touch screens. My other Sonys are touch screens. This one you have to use this joystick to push up, down, right, left. It's the cardinal directions, okay? And then you press down, kind of squeeze the joystick down in order to select. So we're going to go to setup, squeeze down, and now navigate through these menus. Now you can either go to the side and look at the icons, or you can just go like straight down through all the menus until you come down to time and date. Date and time setting. Click. Alright, so that's the date and time setting. It looks like that might be pretty close to right, so I must have the daylight savings mode on. So it's 4:36, so it's actually not perfect. Let's go down here. So we can change the format if we want hours before minutes or minutes before hours, or the date. You know, you want to do like European with the date, with the day first and the month. But I like it the way the way it is, because that's what I'm used to seeing. So hit date and time. Now, see where it says cancel is highlighted? Go down. You can navigate between any of these you need to do. But today is March 15th, 2021 as I'm recording this. And now the time is 4:37. So I'm going to go ahead and arrow up to 4:37. Hit OK. And now you're done. And now you can back out all these menus if you want. Or you can just close the door and it's set. So that's how you change the date and time settings on your Sony camcorder, right? Right, R2? Wake up, R2. All right, yeah. What do you want these guys to do? You want them to hit like, share, subscribe? All right. Oh, don't want them to subscribe. How about the bell button? All right, we can do all those things. Thanks. I appreciate you guys. I hope this helped you. Let's see if you can help somebody else today and not get caught. Have a great day. Take care.